What is going on YouTube? Bryce Crispy Planet Warrior here, bringing you a kind of special painting video. This is a long time in the making. Shout out to the one and only NoShoes Trey. His link is in the description below. He plays this character in my one-shots. In one-shot 1 and one-shot 4, he has appeared as Charles McGubbin, the Deep Gnome Bard. Charles is a gnome, as I stated. He's a bard, loves to sing, but he is also a miner, hence the little mining pick and a miner's cap. This is a Hero Forge mini I 3D printed. So we are going to go ahead and paint him, so that way in our adventures, Charles can have his own little mini on the board to join Stan and Bobby. Now this, I will say, he is technically, if you've watched One Shot 4, you've seen this mini fully painted, because I am painting it for that mini as a surprise to Shoes, so surprise Shoes! But yeah, let's go over the actual paints. So, we're going to use a Fire New Orange for his vest. His miner's outfit is an orangish yellow, but it's very dirty. So everything is going to be heavily, I'm going to use brown wash and shadow wash to get that dirt and soot look all over it. But yeah, so we have the Fire New Orange for his main color. We are going to be Owlbear Brown for his pants. We have a lighter Dorn Yellow that we're going to use for his boots, because he does have light tannish boots, but they're so caked in mud you cannot really tell. So I thought this would look great with the washes blasted over it. Abyssal Black for his black miner's cap. Then we're rocking out with Shield Brown from Reaper paints for his drumstick, and pick handle. Final. Tainted Gold for the metal headlamp. Shining Silver for the actual pick part of his pick. Rigid Leather. That will be used to do his little strap there, his belt, and he has a strap around his helmet, which is probably, now you can see it. So that's going to be super fun to paint. I might actually do that before I paint the helmet black. We'll see. And then finally, Fair Skin for the actual skin part, not skin part, the drum. What is that called? I don't really know drum terms. But yeah, the part that you hit on the drum. That will be the Fair Skin. And then we will do a nice black around the base. And I haven't decided what color I will do the base ring, because I like to do, Stan, we made him his color, and oh, by the way, his skin is just going to be left primer gray, because Deep Gnomes are gray, and I feel like my primer is dark enough that once I throw in the wash, it'll give him a good look to his skin. And then white for the eyes. But yeah, that is enough of me talking. Let's get to paint. Alright everybody, Charles is finished. I am super excited. After the washes, he got that grimy, dirty look I was really looking for, which is the way Shoes described him. I made this model based on how Shoes wanted the character. So don't think I'm just like making this character disgusting out of hate for Shoes. It's not. It is very, very tame. Bring him up to the camera. Shadow Wasp really helped bring out his facial features. Love it. Also, I love that the gray primer just works so perfectly for his skin. Like how the wash settled at the bottom of the stick to give it a faded look. This will help. Kind of. The drum's still really bright, but you can see that the shoes are now really grimy. Shirt's super grimy. Like back on us. Shirt. And the shoes still. But the shoes on NoShoes character. But yeah, the jacket is just dirty and filthy. And the pick has some grime to it. But it is just as happy as ever, and that is why we love this jolly little bar. So, quick video, quick paint. Didn't take long. Very small figure. I mean, let's compare old Charles to Volstagg here. Scheller's about the size of Charles' head. That's great. So, if you want to see Charles in action, go check out the one-shots. He is in one-shot 1 and one-shot 4. So, great time, NoShoes. Love you, buddy. So glad I could bring your character to life. Until next time, I will catch everybody later. Peace.